Once users have registered for your site, it's a good idea to provide them with the tools to manage their own accounts, as well as provide an area where you can communicate with your logged-in users. While this isn't required for all sites, it may be a good idea for many. To enable this, we're going to create a new top-level menu off the main menu called Your Profile. Later, we will add some useful submenu items to provide access to some functions Joomla provides for registered users. First, let's go ahead and create this top-level menu. Go into the main menu item and click New. Select the user type and choose the User Form Layout. Now we'll give it a title, Your Profile. We'll also set it to appear only to registered users. Let's click Apply and have a look at the front end. If we log in, we can see that the new menu item appears. And when we click on it, we can see a whole selection of useful options for our users. If they would like to reset their password or change their full name, it's quite easy to do so here. We'll be using this page as a basis for some more functionality, so let's add a local navigation to the left sidebar. To do this, just create a new menu and set the menu module to only appear under the Your Profile menu. The first item should be an alias to the Your Profile menu item in the main menu. Go ahead and create that now. Okay, now it should look something like this when you're done. We can add any number of useful modules to this user control panel. For example, we could show a custom HTML module to display a message to our registered users. We could also add additional features like Who's Online, special registered user-only polls, even menus full of whole sections and categories of articles that have been set to specifically show at the registered access level. If it fits your site, you could even build a whole separate site with a different template for your registered users. It's entirely up to you, and Joomla does a great job of providing the tools to make this possible.